So a nice double shot of Italian coffee to get us in the mood for a drive in the Ferrari. We're off to Pro Stitch this morning to get the front trunk finally fixed, which will be great. So those of you who've been following my videos for a while will know that when I bought this car, all the straps in the front trunk that hold the toolkit and the tyre repair kit were all rotten and split and cracked. So I'm going to a company called Pro Stitch. I went over there about a month or so ago, and they're making some straps to match the ones that I bought from Ferrari for the toolkit. The ones they sent me for the tyre repair kit were wrong, so just decided to get them made by a third party. So they're going to fit those today. They're just riveted into place, and that will really tidy up that front end. And it's one of those things that's just, you know, it's only cosmetic, but it's annoying when it's not right. So let's go. So here we are at Pro Stitch with John, who's the expert on all things leather. You're going to give us a tour of the showroom, like the workshop in a minute? That would be great.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, so what are we doing? We're going
to refit the leather straps.
Just needs riveting, doesn't it?
That's
so
right, yeah.
It shouldn't be too long.
No,
cool.
Yeah.
Got it all in there. Brilliant. I'll open it up. Yep, I always forget to do that before I turn the ignition off. Oh yeah, that looks brilliant. Absolutely beautiful.
The black, the brass rivets. So there's your one.
Yep.
So I matched it to the new one that you supplied rather than the old one. So that
yeah, sure. Yeah, no, that's...
So the new ones... No, that's... So there they are there.
Oh yeah, fantastic. Look at that. And they're just laser cut out and stitched together.
Yeah, so it's laser cut. So and then I set the machine up with a guide to get the stitch length and the width from the factory one as a sample. Amazing.
A couple of resto projects coming up here. Look at that. Oh, look at the Rego sticker. 1992. That was last registered. Wow, a lot of work to do on this one. Another one here, another lovely Alpha, waiting for some love. Oh, that's a lot of work. My goodness. Sometimes you have to get this car out into the wild to really appreciate how pretty it is in different surroundings. It's the most gorgeous looking car. Prettier than the 355 and purer than the F430. It's timeless design. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah,
that is beautiful.
These ones are
So because the new tyre repair kit is bigger than the old rolled one, we've just moved these straps up about 2 inches just to make it fit okay. These are the standard straps. This is only fiberglass, so easy to drill through that, and that will mean that we can fit this new electric kind of tyre pressure kit, tyre repair kit. So thanks very much, John. It's a fantastic job. It really tidies up the interior of that front trunk.
Gets it back to how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. And we'll come and see your shop another time.
Yeah, in the new year.
Because you're moving up to
Tarrant Point.
So I'll put all the links in the description so you can get in touch with John if you need any trimming. Highly recommended. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
So there we go, all done. I don't know if you can hear me. This video is really done on the cheap. I didn't even bother to bring a microphone, I'm afraid, so apologies for the quality if it's a bit second rate. But yeah, great job from John there, getting that front trunk sorted. I'll leave links in the description, as I say. And yeah, I'm sure the car drives better now. It's weird. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, do all the usual stuff. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.